Think you felt speed before? Wait until you see this. Today, I'm revealing the best FPV drone that transforms fear into freedom and turns the sky into your playground. Welcome back to my channel. You'll discover performance, camera power, and real value fast. Check links below to grab yours today. The number 5 product on our list is PLEGBLE PL715 FPV Drone. The first time you see the world from above in real time, it changes how you understand adventure. That shift from standing on the ground to soaring through your own live camera feed is exactly what this PLEGBLE PL715 FPV drone delivers. Many first-time buyers hesitate before investing in an FPV drone because they worry about signal loss, crashes, or complicated controls. Here, the integrated GPS system adds reassurance with auto-return, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle fly features that make every launch feel intentional rather than risky. The 4K camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens captures crisp detail, while the adjustable angle allows you to frame landscapes, rooftops, or coastline views with precision. Real-time 5G transmission keeps the video smooth on your phone, creating an immersive experience that feels responsive and stable. With 2 intelligent batteries offering up to 46 minutes of combined flight time, exploration no longer feels rushed. Brushless motors improve stability and efficiency, while altitude hold maintains steady positioning even when wind picks up. The beginner mode limits range to 30 meters, giving new pilots space to practice safely before expanding outward. The pros are its extended flight time, strong GPS functions, lightweight design under 250 grams, and no FAA registration requirement. The cons are that proper calibration is necessary before flight and extreme wind can still challenge lightweight builds. Compared to racing-style FPV drones focused purely on speed, this model balances cinematic capture with user-friendly control. Ideal for travelers, hobbyists, and content creators seeking dynamic aerial shots, it transforms open skies into a personal canvas ready to explore. At number 4 is Contixo F28 FPV Drone. The moment a drone lifts off and the ground begins to shrink beneath it, hesitation either turns into thrill or regret. For many new pilots, that split second is filled with worry about unstable controls and blurry footage. This is where the Contixo F28 FPV Drone reshapes expectations. Equipped with a 2K Full HD camera and an adjustable 85-degree field of view, it captures sweeping aerial shots with clarity that feels cinematic yet approachable. The GPS system adds reassurance through one-key takeoff and auto-return home, reducing the fear of losing connection mid-flight. Hover stability keeps the frame steady, so photos and videos look sharp instead of shaky. Intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, Orbit, and Selfie mode transform simple flights into creative sessions. Even beginners can explore dynamic movements without feeling overwhelmed. 2 rechargeable batteries extend total flight time to around 26 minutes, offering enough freedom to experiment before landing. The brushless motors contribute smoother performance and improved durability, while wireless transmission maintains responsive control up to about 1,000 feet depending on surroundings. The pros are its user-friendly GPS functions, stable hover technology, foldable portability, and creative flight features suitable for families and first-time users. The cons are moderate camera resolution compared to premium 4K models and signal sensitivity around heavy obstacles. Compared to high-speed racing-style FPV drones that prioritize agility over image quality, this model focuses on balance and accessibility. Ideal for beginners, travelers, and casual content creators seeking an immersive flying experience, it turns open air into a canvas where learning and exploration happen side by side. The third one on our list is PLEGBLE, PL510 FPV Drone. The first time your drone climbs smoothly into the sky without shaking, drifting, or losing signal, you realize how much the right technology matters. Many buyers step into the FPV drone world excited but cautious, worried about blurry footage, weak motors, or sudden signal loss. This is where the PLEGBLE EPL510 FPV Drone creates a different experience. Equipped with a crystal-clear 4K UHD camera delivering 3,840 by 2,160 resolution, it captures sharp aerial photos and videos with a shock-absorbing mount that keeps movement controlled. The 90-degree adjustable lens and smooth FPV transmission immerse you in real-time views that feel vivid and responsive. Brushless motors enhance efficiency and durability while improving wind resistance, supported by altitude hold and optical flow positioning for stable hovering even in light breeze. Dual batteries extend flight time up to 30 minutes, and fast USB-C charging makes turnaround quicker between sessions. Beyond range, alerts help prevent unexpected flyaways, adding another layer of reassurance for beginners. The pros are strong image clarity, steady hovering performance, lightweight design under 250 grams, and flexible control options including app and voice commands. The cons are that windy conditions still require careful speed adjustment and full feature mastery takes practice. Compared to entry-level toy drones that lack GPS and stabilization, this model feels refined and capable without overwhelming new pilots. Ideal for families, hobbyists, and travelers seeking a compact aerial camera solution, it transforms open skies into a creative playground where smooth flight and detailed footage come together naturally. On number 2 is Potensic Atom SE FPV Drone. The sky feels different when you are not just looking at it but moving through it in real time. That sense of perspective is what draws many people toward an FPV drone, yet hesitation often follows. Concerns about shaky footage, weak motors, or sudden signal drops hold buyers back. This is where the Potensic Atom SE FPV drone changes the conversation. Equipped with a sharp 4K UHD camera delivering crisp 3840 by 2160 resolution, it captures detailed aerial photos and smooth video even during dynamic movement. The shock-absorbing mount and stable FPV transmission keep the live view steady and immersive, while the adjustable lens allows you to frame wide landscapes or focused angles with ease. Brushless motors provide stronger efficiency and improved wind resistance, supported by altitude hold and optical positioning that maintain stable hovering. Dual batteries extend total flight time up to 30 minutes, giving you more freedom to explore before landing. The Beyond Range Alert and data loss safeguards add reassurance, especially for beginners learning flight boundaries. The pros are excellent image clarity, reliable stabilization, lightweight portability under 250 grams, and flexible control through remote app or gesture. Commands. The cons are that higher wind still demands cautious handling and advanced features require practice to fully master. Compared to basic entry-level drones that lack refined stabilization and camera precision, this model feels thoughtfully engineered for both new and experienced pilots. Ideal for travelers, hobby creators, and families seeking cinematic aerial moments, it transforms open air into a controlled space where creativity and steady flight come together naturally. Now moving to the last one is DJI Avata 2 Fly FPV Drone. Most people abandon FPV flying after one rough landing because the controls feel overwhelming and the footage never matches the dream. Yet the DJI Avata 2 Fly FPV Drone flips that story the moment it leaves the ground. Through the goggles, you are pulled into a sweeping 155-degree ultra-wide view, capturing crisp 4K at 60 frames per second from a powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor. Making low-altitude runs look dramatic instead of shaky, the IDE and motion controller transforms complex stick inputs into natural hand movements so beginners feel steady quickly while experienced pilots can unleash smooth flips, rolls, and tight 180-degree drifts that look cinematic. Built-in propeller guards add durability and peace of mind, especially for indoor flights or close-range creative shots. It is lightweight, travel-friendly, and pairs seamlessly with the Lightcut app for fast, polished edits, which makes spontaneous content creation far easier than expected. Compared to the larger DJI FPV Drone, this version feels more compact and approachable, though it trades a bit of raw speed and extended battery endurance. It suits adventure lovers, travel vloggers, and creators who crave immersive aerial storytelling without wrestling complicated controls. Instead of fearing the first crash, you start chasing the next breathtaking dive. So guys, that brings us to the end of our video on the best FPV drone you can buy right now. We've carefully covered a range of options designed for different hunting styles, environments, and budgets so you can choose with confidence and avoid wasting your hard-earned money. All the product links are added in the description below, so take a moment to check them out, compare features, and pick the binocular that truly matches your terrain, game, and personal needs. If this video helped you in any way, whether it saved you time, cleared your confusion, or helped you avoid a bad purchase, please hit the like button. It genuinely motivates us and tells YouTube that honest, no-nonsense gear content matters. And if you're serious about hunting gear and outdoor equipment, make sure to subscribe. We've got more in-depth reviews, real night testing, comparisons, and practical tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, happy hunting, and see you in the next one.